Giant friends, welcome back to my channel. So today series is about Chaiwali series. So we are going to begin with Chaiwali series. So in this we learn about something special. So today's special is Earth and its grooming. WTOSEBI Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, first Indian PM to Khudi Hotofi from office, right to property, electric current, Usain Bolt of animals, and highest civilian award of India. Thereafter, the next is moments of independence and republic. So, the first topic is our Earth and its grooming. One blue planet rotates around its axis. This is imaginary line. The axis makes an angle of 66 and a half with its orbital plane. One rotation takes 24 hours. It rotates in a west east direction counterclockwise, hence sun appears to rise in east. Next, Earth rotation velocity at the equator is 1674.4 km per hour. According to NASA, only Uranus and Venus does not rotate. The important fact about the rotation of the planets. The tides or waves of the ocean are deflected as a result of its rotation on the earth. The rotation of the earth also affects the wind. The most important effect of the rotation of the earth is day and night. And the next part is WTO, that is World Trade Organization. So the next part is WTO, that is World Trade Organization. To supervise and liberalize world trade, that is the motto of WTO. WTO is successor to the General Agreement on Traffic and Trade. So sometime they will ask question what is the another name of WTO. So then it is GATT, General Agreement of Traffic and Trade. And sometime they will ask the abbreviation for GATT. Following the completion of the regular round 1986 to 94 of multilateral trade negotiation, the WTO began operated on January 1995. By the early 21st century, the WTO had more than 164 members. By 2016, WTO has 25 observed nation. Headquarters of the WTO is at Geneva, Switzerland. That is an important one. Ngozi is the seventh Director General of WTO. So the next is SEBI. So what is SEBI? SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India, constituted as a non-statutory body on the April 12, 1988, got saturated mandate and power under SEBI Act 1992. SEBI board comprises 9 members. Madhubai Puri Boch has been appointed as the new chairman of the board. The headquarters of SEBI is situated in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. That is an important one. And sometime mostly they will ask the full form of SEBI. Next, Supreme Commander of Armed Forces. The President of India is the officially Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. That is an important one. Next, the headquarters of the Indian Armed Forces is located in New Delhi. All major contracts and trades are conducted in the President's name. India has the pride of having women as a Supreme Commander twice. Next, the most important one thing, Central Armed Forces, Police Forces, serve under the Ministry of Home and Affairs, not in the Ministry of Defense. Next, the first Indian PM to Khudi Hotofi from office. That is Morarji Desai is the first Prime Minister of India to resign from office in 1979. He had become the first non-Congress PM of India in 1977. He resigned in 1979 when Charan Singh pulled out the Janata Party. No one, not even the Prime Minister, he was repeatedly said should be above the law of the land. He was confirmed with Nishane Pakistan by Pakistan. So here's a picture of Morarji Desai. Next, right to property. It was the 44th Amendment of the Constitution of the India which declared that the right to property will no longer be fundamental right. The right to property is still a legal or constitutional right, but it is no longer a fundamental right. The government can take our private property by following the due process of law and giving adequate compensation. Next one, electric current. What is electric current? The SI unit of electric current is the ampere, or you can say AMP. Electric current is measured using device called galvanometer and ammeter. Ammeter shows only the magnitude of the current. and the galvanometer shows both the direction and the magnitude of the current. The commercial unit of the electric current is kilowatt hour. Electric current was discovered and understood by many scientists. Benjamin Franklin is given the credit of discovering electricity. The first practical application of electricity was the invention of the electric dynamo by the Michael Faraday in the year 1831. So this will be important one for examination. Next, Usain Bolt of animals. So I think you all know about who is the Usain Bolt of animals. The cheetah is the fastest mammal on the earth. A cheetah can reach 112 km per hour in just 3 seconds. Cheetah are part of the big cat family, and while they can't climb tree, they can run faster than any other land animals. The cheetah is classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Next, highest civilian award of the India, so it is Bharat Ratna. Civilian award are confirmed to be people with outstanding achievement in the field of work, president to the presented to the respective recipient by the President of India on Republic Day. The inscription year of this civilian award is 1959. Civilian award are created to the degree of honors: Bharat Ratna first degree of honor, Padma Bhushan second degree of honor, Padma Bhushan, sorry, the second is Padma Vibhushan and the third is Padma Bhushan and the fourth is Padma Shri. This award is conferred for achievement in the field of science, literature, art, and public services in 2013. Sports were also included in this award category. The 10th is Moments of Independence and Republic. The day of 15th August, Independence Day, is used by the Prime Minister of the day to address the nation and the tricolor. Our national flag is hosted from the famous Red Fort in New Delhi. India got independence from British rule in 1947 but was not a republic till 1951. Until then, it still followed British constitution and acknowledgement British monarch as its head. It was only when India adopted its newly written constitution on 26 January 1950 that India became a republic. The President of India holds the flag. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first President of India and he became two-time President of India. Next, a republic state is one where the nation is ruled by representative of the citizen and not by monarch. Indian constitution does not allow dual citizenship. Next, who is Mr. Biju Patnaik? Biju Patnaik 1969 to 1997 is the only person in India on whose death his body was wrapped in the national flag of three countries: India, Russia, and Indonesia. So here we end the first series of Chaiwali, and I hope you like the video, and if you like the video please do like, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.